Let's get going then, and let's put the spotlight on all the stocks that will be in focus today. And first up, remember, a whole host of companies reported their numbers. So TVS supply chain, that one reported weak set of numbers. It was below what the street was working with. Revenue has risen by about 2% on a year-on-year basis. Margins, they have contracted. In fact, margins have come in at 6.7% versus 7.2% that the company had reported same time last year. But the management commentary with respect to outlook continues to remain very positive. In fact, the management says that they are confident of delivering progressive improvement in margin profile and bottom line performance through the course of FY26 and beyond. So strong commentary that has come in from management of TVS supply chain. All the numbers were lower than what the street was working with. Let's also put the spotlight on a couple of pharma companies on the back of US FDA action. We have Zydus Life Sciences, where the company has received final US FDA approval for tablets which are used for constipation. So this is on the back of a US FDA approval that Zydus Life Sciences will be in focus. JSW Energy, meanwhile, positive news flow coming in over here, where they have commissioned 80 megawatt of unit of the total 240 megawatt. This is a power project in Himachal Pradesh, and the installed capacity for the company has now surpassed 13 gigawatt mark. So this is again a positive news. JSW Energy will be in focus on the back of that. Let's also put the spotlight on Brigade Enterprises, and over here it has launched a 20-acre plot in East Bengaluru, and the revenue potential of this particular project stands at over 225 crores. Lastly, Dr. Reddy's, again on the back of US FDA approval, where they have received US FDA's inspection report for its Telangana API facility, and the inspection has closed with voluntary action indicated classification. So perhaps we could see some kind of impact on Dr. Reddy's on the back of this news. So yes, a whole host of stocks, Kanishka, in focus on the back of earnings and several other news pieces.
As expected, Tata Motors came out with its numbers and it was largely mixed, and of course the impact coming in is because of the tariff issues which are pertaining especially for the JLR segment. Largely revenue, EBITDA in line, margin slight miss, PAT was above estimates, and JLR guidance has remained unchanged. But the margins, they have actually performed better than expectations. Double-digit margin is there for the CV segment, but the demand outlook, that is challenging. That's what the management had stated. ICICI Bank, they have hiked the average minimum balance of savings account in metro and urban areas to 50,000 rupees from 10,000. It will be effective from 1st August, but salary accounts and existing accounts won't be impacted. Analysts say CASA impact would be there in the short term, but on the other hand, there might be migration coming to PSU banks and other private banks as well. Defense stocks positive. The annual defense production for FY25 has gone up by 18% a year-on-year basis, coming in at 1,50,000 crore plus. This might give a positive boost to the defensive stocks in the day's trade. Textile stocks, Ministry of Textiles has decided to reopen the PLI portal for fresh applications till August 31, a kind of a boost coming in because of uncertainty in the tariff for the textile players. And lastly, Manappuram Finance, mixed Q1 numbers coming in, strong growth in the loan portfolio in the gold segment, but the asset quality is worsening in most of the segments, and that is an alarming trigger. Also, management had stated that the gold loan yields are expected to moderate to 18% over the next 4 to 6 quarters as the rate cut transmission also takes place.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.